Alpha male body language and beta male body language. Two completely different dispositions. All right, it's two completely different dispositions as a man. All right, you got your alpha male, he carries himself a certain way. And you have your beta male, he carries himself a certain way. And in this video, I will be showing you guys a clear illustration, a picture of what a pure alpha male, how his disposition is as a man, and your beta male, your beta cook, whatever you want to call him, he carries himself in a very weak manner, okay? You want to steer away from that. And if you find yourself doing any of the things that you see in the picture that I'm about to show you guys and talk through and explain to you guys how to steer away from this shit and the differences in between the alpha male and the beta male's disposition, aka body language. If you find yourself doing any of the things that you're about to see in this fucking picture, change it today. All right? Be honest. Drop it in the comment section. Drop in the comment section. I changed today. Write that in the comment section. I changed this. If it's your eye contact, say I changed that. If it's your posture, say I changed my posture. And commit to being a fucking alpha male. Okay, guys? Without further ado, let's get right into this picture, guys. Alright, guys. Look at this shit here. Alright, to your left, you are looking at the alpha male. Look at his body language. Study his body language. All right. Check out that body language. And then to your right, you are looking at this sad looking ass beta male. All right. He looked like he looked like he just got told no by the guy on the left. No, you can't have no candy. Get your ugly ass out my face. All right, daddy. Okay, master. Look, man, you don't want to be this guy on the right, okay, guys? But let's get into this shit, all right, guys? The differences, all right? Everything is labeled, so you guys, you just follow along to what I'm saying, all right? The alpha male, the guy on the left, has great eye contact and holds eye contact with females, all right? If you look away first, you are the guy on the right. You are a simp, all right? You are a beta male. Beta males have no confidence, and when they are looking in the eyes of a woman, they look away first, all right? You don't want to be looking in a woman's face like a fucking creep, but whenever you make eye contact, smooth, seductive eye contact with a woman, you don't want to be the first one to break eye contact, okay? Alpha males do not break eye contact. You have good eye contact, all right? And if you lock eyes with a guy, hey, you don't look away neither, because he's gonna peg you as a fucking beta male, all right? Now, I'm not telling you to go out there and stare guys in the face to get yourself punched in the face, all right? But don't break eye contact. And if a guy keeps staring at you, hey, me personally, hey, I don't know what the fuck, hey, this shit ain't gonna carry. We ain't finna have a staring match. All right, we ain't gonna carry this shit on for too long now. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be some problems around here. All right, guys? Great eye contact, all right? Alpha male, great eye contact. Beta male avoids eye contact. All right, cutting his eyes, looking at the ground, looking around, looking at his phone. No, he ain't got no notifications or no shit like that there. All right, guys? Now, another thing, friendly smile, all right? Now, you don't have to always have a friendly smile if you're an alpha male, all right? You don't want to be cheesing all the time, showing your fucking teeth, all right? That's the last thing a woman want to see, is your fucking teeth all the time. And, you know, she across from you on a date, and in her mind, every time I look at him, I see his fucking teeth. All right, guys? You don't want to be that guy. Have a little friendly James Bond smirk on your face, all right? Put that little James Bond smirk on your face. It's okay to have a serious look, but you know, you want to avoid showing your teeth all the time, grinning and skinning and grinning, all right? Now, the beta male, he most likely he going to show his teeth all the time. He nervous, he talking all the time. He blabbing off at the mouth, you know what I'm saying? Or he got a sad, unconfident look on his face, all right, guys? Alpha male, friendly James Bond smile. Beta male, weak ass, little sad, unconfident smile. Or he ready to crack a Eddie Murphy joke or some shit, all right? Old cornball ass, corny ass. All right? Now, the next thing, good posture. Alpha males have good posture. Look at his posture. His chest is up, the head is up. You know what I'm saying? He's not sloshed over like that beta male. Beta male sloshed over. You know what I'm saying? Giving himself a back problem already. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have fucking scoliosis if you keep that shit up. All right, guys? All right? When you're an alpha male, you have good posture. Shoulders back, chest out, head up, looking forward at all times. All right? Beta male, you sloshed over. You got your arms crossed, covering up your little feelings and shit. You know. I don't know what you got going on, but, you know, if you're doing this shit, guys, fix your posture. Practice the shit. every day. All right, guys, we're about to move on to the lower part of these two men here. But if you find yourself avoiding eye contact, slouching, you know what I'm saying, you gotta fix this shit, guys. All right, now we're moving on to the lower part of the body. All right, guys, the alpha male to your left has a presence about himself. Okay, when you walk in a room, 9 times out of 10, you can be felt. All right, you're not walking in a room making a bunch of noise and shit. All right, guys, but you're present. You have a sense of presence. Typically, you want to take up as much space as you physically fucking can. All right, if I'm sitting at a bar somewhere, I'm leaning all over everywhere, you know, chilling. Arrogant asshole me. Yep. You want to take up as much space as you possibly can. All right, now you don't want to invade anyone else's space, get the shit knocked out of you, but in your area, you want to be open body language, have a presence about yourself. Now, the beta male to your right makes himself small and has closed body language. When you're alpha male, open body language. When you are a beta male, you have closed body language, and for some reason you make yourself small, or you try to hide behind shit, walking up against the wall and shit, trying to be quiet. All right, guys, if you find yourself doing any of the beta male body language, fix the shit. All right, guys, I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. You can also show your appreciation by clicking the PayPal link in the description. Donate whatever you want to donate to the kid, and make sure you guys subscribe. Okay, guys, I look forward to the comments in the comment section, and if you want me to answer a question in the video, the email is in the description, guys. All right, like I always say, our nuts hanging to the floor. We tripping over them bitches all the time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.